So now you can see calculated key figure and this is RKF. In the BEX query, we have RKF and CKF concept. Did you remember these options? Did you remember these options? BEX query, CKF, RKF, same like these two. Okay. And then we'll discuss this calculated restricted key figures in the SAP Datasphere as well. Okay. So now, so these options will come. And how many types of nodes? How many nodes available? How many nodes available in the calculation group? They will ask you. Okay. You can say projection node, and then aggregation node, and then rank node, and then giant node, and a union node would be there. Okay. So we already used giant node, aggregation node, projection node, but I didn't use union and rank. So you just try it. Okay. How to use? Okay. Same only. A union means what? We are clubbing the data. So now projection node means what? Based on our requirement. If someone asks you based on the business requirement, based on the business requirement, based on business requirement, we are choosing the fields from the base table. Base table. So we are selecting some base tables, right? Based on our requirement, we are choosing it. In the aggregation node, if you want to do some calculations, you can create them. Okay. So and also aggregation node, if you are using aggregation node in the master data, it will remove the duplicates. It will remove the duplicates in the master data. If you have any duplicates, it will remove automatically aggregation. So these are the questions. You just attend the interview, then you will come to know these options. Okay. Mostly these will ask. Fine. So now I just wanted to show you override, how it will works in the data sphere. In the data sphere. In the BW user, right? Override, where it will work standard DSO, right? Standard DSO level override is happening. How it is happening? In the change law table, you will understand, right? Change law table based on the keys, right? Based on the keys, override is happening based on the keys. So how it will works? Okay. Override or summation, we'll see how you will identify it. Okay. The through practically we'll see, not normally. Okay, theoretically. So I'm trying to go see here. You know, right? How to log in Datasphere. You have to register this, right? Once you register, so we have some trial access, 30 days. So here you can see multiple options are there. So I went to data builder. Already I'm into data builder. So if you want to see these options, you can see data builder. So in the data builder, these are all options available. Welcome to the data builder. You can see load data into tables, prepare and model it views. Okay. This is kind of all these things. So now I'm trying to do import CSV. I'm clicking on this option. Now go to desktop, DS files. I'm selecting overwrite one. What are the fields available in this? We'll see. So now we having these three fields are available. Employee, employee name, department, salary. Now you can see this is E001, this is employee. Carefully observe it. Now here sales department, allies, 50,000. Employee name, allies, and sales department. And so might be this guy is giant, allies giant, and his salary is 50,000 per month. He is from sales department. Once he get promotion, Might be he moved to HR department. Might be he moved to HR department. So how it will works, we'll see. Okay. So now you can see 63. So now I wanted to make this as a employee as a key. So go to here, set as a key. See now you can see here, I don't see any keys. Okay, that is only key. So now I have a option deploy. So I'm trying to deploy it. So I'm giving overwrite one. Select. Just to recall how overwrite it is happening in the ADSO. In the standard ESO level, we have inbound table, active table, change alert table. How overwrite will happen based on the keys, overwrite will happen by default, right? In the change alert table, you can see the changes. In the same way, how we will do it in the data sphere, we'll see carefully. So now I create a local table. I have a data as well in the local table, you can see. So this is delta is not supporting, delta capture, it is not supporting. Okay, delta is not supporting here in the local table because I'm loading CSV file, it is not supporting. So, and also this is trial version. So now you can see this is the key. And if you want to see the data, you can go to here and you can see the data. So how many records are there? Two records are there. Okay, clear? Till now you are clear, right? So now I'm going to create transformation flow. Now I'm going to create transformation flow. Okay. See here, now I'm going to transformation flow. I'm going to this new transformation flow in the data builder. So if you don't want to see this, you can click on this. You can go to the transformation flow. So now when I click on transformation flow, you can see what is the use of transformation flow. By using transformation flow within the data sphere, you can move from data from local table to another local table. That is main advantage of transformation flow. If someone asks you in the interview in the data sphere, what is the use of transformation flow? By using transformation flow, we can process the data within the data sphere from one local table to another local table. Clear? So what is my local table? Overwrite. I'm drag and drop. Sorry. Sorry. Double click this. So now once you double click on this SQL view transform and graphical view transform, I'm clicking on graphical view transform. So now I'm drag and drop this table. So now how many fields are there in the my overwrite local table? Four fields only, right? Four fields only, na? Select this and if you want to see, you can see. Four fields only, na? That is why it is showing four. Employee ID, employee name, department, salary. Okay. So in the transform, this is view. View transform. This is view. Okay. This is view. So I'm not doing any changes. I don't want to put any filter. I don't want to put any exclude, include. If you want to, you can put it. Okay. So this is calculated columns. I don't want any calculations. If you want to do aggregation, you can do it. Okay. This is data preview. Now what I'm doing it, I'm clicking on this option, navigation back. So now I came to here, view transform. So again here, how many fields are there? Four fields. So right click here, I'm going to create new target table. So this I'm giving just, see this just only overwrite. Okay, this option. I'm selecting this the delta capture. I'm selecting this delta capture. So see how many fields are there in the target employee ID, employee name, department. When I click on this delta capture, I can see two fields are added. Change type, change date as well. Clear? Two fields are adding it when I click on delta capture. Clear? So now I'm into local type properties. Fine. So now I can see six means six fields are came. So this transformation flow, I'm giving this is the name my transformation flow name. Table name is overwrite. target local table name overwrite. Okay, now this is initial only. Okay, initial plus delta. So it will not support initial plus delta. So I'm keeping it. See, even if I give, I will get error. See here, this is trial version. Complete it will not work. Okay, so I'm keeping initial only. Okay, so I don't face an issue. Now I'm trying to save it. Save. See, this is transformation flow. Save. I'm deploying it. Once you deploy, you can see here not deployed till now. So once it is deployed, so it will show deployed. Green button will come, status will change. See, I am not doing anything. I already done 2 minutes back. Now it is deploying. So where it will store the data? SAP HANA Lake. SAP HANA Lake. All backend will have SAP HANA only. So now you can see clear. See, this is currently I'm in override table. Target is override table. Low, I mean source table is overwrite one. See here, if you want to see data, you can see. This is source table, which we have created initially. So now this is target table. If you see, nothing will be there. I didn't load right, overwrite. This is target table and this is source table. Okay. I didn't load it. See, the object has been deployed, deploy it before viewing it. I don't have any data. So now I'm executing this. So I'm executing my transmission flow. So transformation flow has been started. So once transformation flow start executed, we need to go this task. We need to go open transformation flow. So same like how we are um, watching the process chain monitoring in the BW. So now you can see how many records are there. Two records written to the target table. Clear. What is my target table? Overwrite. What is my source table? Overwrite underscore 01. Okay, now you can go and see it. So here, upset. What is the use of upset keyword? Maybe if you know SQL. Okay, so update. Maybe people are heard update and insert. Update and insert. So by using these, both options will work. Upset. These two statements will work same like upset. However, it will do update, however, it will work. Update and insert both will work into the upset. Okay, in SAP HANA we have it, this option. Okay. Upset will work same like update and insert. Both will merge. Okay. Clear? It will work. See upset space, this is a column, table, local table override, and this is first column. Employee name, employee salary, department, and also change date and change type. Two things added. Now you can see this is a select statement. See still. Okay, close. And now you can see transformation flow is completed. Now you can see in the bottom level, see how many records are there, number of records two. And you can go to the batches. Nothing will be batches in there. Settings, if you want to see the performance optimization recommended, so include batches, include runtime, all the options they given it. So now I want to see go back data builder. I'm clicking on data builder. So now I select this option and go to the data preview. So I'm clicking on how many records are there. See here, now I can see two, right? Employee number, employee 1 and 2, LA sales, and this change type is L. And this is like no timestamp. So by using this change type timestamp, easily you will identify, right, which record is created, which record is modified. what time it was created, all details would be there, right? So now what I'm doing it, second option. So I have another file, this two, second file. So here we having employee, same employee. Now I having, I'm saving it. So now I having two records into the other file. Both are HR department. Earlier, like no, LIs and other guy, sales and marketing. So this guy, like no, this has to observe it. This has to observe it. The symbols. I'm closing it. So what is the source level? We have it. So now you can go here. What is the source level? We have it. Observe it carefully. Sales, marketing, 50,000, 50,000, 60,000. So now my file level, what is the amount available here? What is the amount? 55,000. Earlier, like sales department, this guy, alias sales department. Now HR department, he got promotion, HR department. Now salary is 55,000. This is new record. One more HR, one more employee joined and his department HR and his salary is 90,000. Clear? This will happen in the real time. I'm closing it. So now I'm trying to do, I'm loading it again. So close it, I'm closing it. So now I go to this option, overwrite. This is my local table. Okay. So now I'm going to this option. Select this option. I'm trying to load second file. So so here, alias, HR department, 55,000. This is third record. So I'm trying to import. I'm getting issue, right? I'm getting issue. What is issue? Duplicate issue, right? Same key. Already key is available. Already key is available because my local table is not supporting Delta now. So I'm loading CSV file only, right? Local table only, right? So that is why it is not supporting. In the real time, it will support. Okay. So click this, delete existing data before upload. So now it will allow. Clear. So now file has been uploaded. Now you can go and check it. So now just change, right? From instead of sales. Earlier it is sales. Now it is here marketing. So now you can see 95,000. Okay. In the target table, we'll see. And you can go to the right click. I'm opening into next flow. Okay. Next to screen. Uh, I will show you this data. Okay. I will keep it same open and you will understand. I'm opening this transformation flow. Okay. In the local table, what is the records available? Try to see it. This select this option and go to area. Fine. Select this. I will look like fine. See, still it is available. I am not loading. I didn't load it. Sales marketing. See here, Alice Nagendra. These two records I'm changing it source level. So now L you can see observe. Now I'm executing it. What will happen? We'll see. Again, you go here. So job is completed or not? How many records came? Two records came again. Initial only. Initial only means what? Full update only. But I'm going to data builder. In the data builder, select this option and go to view, data view. How many records are there total? How many records are there total? So initially I loaded two records and second time also I loaded two records. One record is common, ELS. See, this is HR. This is 55. Now you can see L only. Now you can see L only. So when it was updated, now see like this, you can see all the changes. This is overwritten based on the employee. This is star means this is key. Based on this, it is overwrite. Okay. This is how it is happening in the overwrite option in the transformation flow. See E2. So you can see 60L and E3 63L. Clear? Are you getting me? So you also try it. So maybe you can load tomorrow also. The date will change it. Okay. This is how overwrite is happening in the transformation flow level. Now I just wanted to show you summation. I wanted to show you summation. Now go to here. I'm selecting import CSV. Import CSV. Go to here and I have a option summation. What are the fields available? We'll see while you are importing. See here, I having reason, product, quantity, and sales amount. These are the four fields are available in the table. So I'm making this as a key reason. And products are same. It is coming right. So okay, little bit. So even if we don't make this as a okay, it will get aggregate right. And even if I'll make this as a key. Okay. Set and you can also do it set as key. Both are keys. Okay. Now you can try to do it. Summation. And this is the summation. And now you can see the data as well. Why? It will take some time. Why? Let me open it. Mhm. Oh, already it is there. It is taking some time. I don't see. I didn't deploy. Huh? Deploy. Why I don't see data? We don't have data in the submission. It is there, right? Fine. Okay. Save and deploy. So tomorrow I will go for important concept, data source enhancement, and all we'll see in the S4 HANA itself. Very, very important. We'll write the web code as well. If you want to go through, you can go through it before itself, then you will understand easily. And after that, we'll write customer exit as well. And then I will go for start routine, end routine, all these things. We'll see. And data is not available. CSV file only, right? Import data. File has been uploaded. Yeah, now it is showing. There is some issue. I don't know. So now you can see east, east, west, and you can see 2111. So now in the local table, however, it is there. However, it is there in the file, exactly it is showing. It is not aggregating the data and all. Correct? So now when I do graphical view, so I'm creating graphical view. In the graphical view, we'll have summation option. Okay. Now I'm drag and drop in the graphical view level. You can see here, I'm taking this as a mm, this is harmonization layer. So I'm giving HL and this is summation. Okay, I'm giving it. So, so now we having these options. So I'm making this as a, see here, set as key or key figure. Set as a key or make this as a keys. No, no, no. Let me do save. Select this view. Select this view. Here we'll get some set as a key. No. And deploy it. It's taking time. Yeah, now it is deployed. Now select this. Now you can go and view the data. It will take some time, okay? Now you can see three records, right? In the view level. Now I'm using into analytical model and close this. I'm closing this. I'm going to create new application. Where is this? Analytical model. I'm creating analytical model. Analytical model behave like Bex query in the SAP BW. Okay. Where is my analytical model? Sales. Okay, it is not coming. Huh? Let me discard. Go to HM. I need to make this as a expose. I'm owning it. Run analytical model and save. I'm saving again. So once you expose for consumption, then it will come to the analytical model. Otherwise, it will not come. I'm trying to create analytical model. It is this name is not showing, right? That is why I'm making this option as a expose for consumption. I can use this graphical view into the analytical model. Otherwise, it can't is. Now it is deployed. So I'm closing it. Just remember HL underscore sum. And I'm going to here. So now I will see might be it's not showing. Generally just no, it has to show basically. Why? Why? Somehow there is some issue. Actually, it is has to come. Okay. Okay. Generally, we'll create fact. So here we'll create like no measures. We'll have option like no aggregating data or not. Just click it. I'll show you where we'll have aggregation option under. Now here you can see right. So here which option you want? Summation or inherited sum? See here. So if you want to do summation, you can do summation. Then it will get aggregated. Okay. So for all, go to analytical model and you can make it this. So which one you want to aggregation? Then click on this option. Then go to analytical model and select other one. Select. Sorry. So here we having like no what are the key figures? These key figures, however you want, you can keep it okay. So here we having four key figures measures. These are all dimensions. If you want, you can make it like no, however you want, you can make it. Summation means it will get. See, these options are there available in the Bex query also same thing. If you go to some minimum, max, count, average, these are all exception aggregation level will come, right? Did you observe? While you are creating exception aggregation also will get same options. So let me reporting layer and this I'm giving like this. I'll just save it and deploy it. So now it is deployed. Now you can go to preview and you can see your data as well, how you are getting summation and all, you will see here. Okay, so if you want to analyze your report based on the product ID, so click on this. Same like Bexquery, it will works. If you remove, then it will go again. Okay, if you remove product ID, sales are going if you want to understand. So now you can see based on this Middle East and okay Europe. So all these things you can see. And if you want to see same analytical model, what is my analytical model? RL underscore fact. Then I'm trying to go here, SAP and Analytical Cloud, SAC. Going to SAC, I want to design some report like kind of. See now I'm going to create first story. Go to Canvas, select Canvas. So if you want to see, you can see it, complete stories. So I'm into story, right? So I'm drag and drop table and you can see here, sorry, select here. Now you can go to left side. You can go to left side where we will identify. Mhm. What is our, and now I'm see here data 3. So double click here. Now I'm looking for what is my model, RL underscore. This is my space, RL underscore. This is only right. RL underscore fact. Select this. So my analytical model available for story. Now I can create my story based on my requirement. Okay. Now you can see add one net amount or quantity. So I'm selecting this. Now you can see here amount, text amount. Now you can see gross amount as well. So now if you want, okay, fine. Now I'm going to add dimension. So I will add based on the, where is this? I'm selecting based on the month wise or quarter wise, calendar month. So now you can see month wise. Okay. So however you want, you design it, right? This one, go to here, select this option. Okay. Now you can drag and drop your chart. Now you can drag and drop chat. So if someone asks you, do you know SAC? No, you can say immediately, yes, I know. I can create basic SAC report. Okay, now you can select this option however you want. Okay, it will display. And now you can see if you want any dimensions, you can add dimension. So if you want to create calculated dimensions, see all these options are available. However you want, you can select it. Colors. Okay. This is how we'll handle all this. Okay. So I will see that option why it is not coming tomorrow. I will discuss more. Okay. This is how we can save it and you can use it. And this details like no the saving options like coloring, background, all these things you can go here. You can do the all these things. Okay. You can go settings and you can do all this background, what color you require. Huh? All these things you can see it. Okay. Okay. Thank you.